Tired of manually processing your print and mint orders? Let's ditch the chaos and connect Odoo with Qikink to automate your entire fulfillment process. First, ensure you have both an active Odoo account and a Qikink account. Log into your Odoo instance and navigate to the Apps module. Search for the Qikink Connector app. If you don't find it, you might need to enable technical features in your user preferences to access external modules or install it from the Odoo App Store manually. Once you've located the Qikink connector, click Install. Odoo will handle the installation process automatically. After installation, go to the Qikink connector module. Within Odoo, you'll be prompted to enter your Qikink API key. To find your Qikink API key, log into your Qikink account and go to the Integrations or API section. Copy the API key provided by Qikink. Paste the API key into the corresponding field in the Odoo Qikink connector settings, and save the configuration. Odoo and Qikink are now linked. Now, set up your products in Odoo, ensuring they're configured for print and mint with Qikink. Map your product variants in Odoo to the corresponding product templates in Qikink. When a customer places an order in Odoo, the Qikink connector will automatically send the order details to Qikink for fulfillment. Qikink will handle printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customer. You can track the order status directly within Odoo, receiving updates from Qikink on order progress, shipping details, and tracking numbers. That's it. By connecting Odoo with Qikink, you've automated your print and mint fulfillment, streamlined your workflow, and gained better control over your inventory.